joined in, and that's where the picture of me with Paul Kruger was taken. That's the event in the context of it all. But I must say, I find it quite ridiculous. It's actually laughable that the ANC is now trying to pin a certain label on me because of this event and my attendance there, and this picture was Paul Kruger. It actually shows that they're really scraping the bottom of the barrel now. With the issue to try and blow up racism and put people against each other. This is really ridiculous. And I think it's just an effort on their side to steer away and distract attention from problems, major problems in our society like joblessness, unemployment, especially about amongst the youth and more specifically about amongst black youth. And I think they are feeling threatened by the progress that the DA has been making over the last period, and now they are desperate and they are making desperate measures. That is very clear to me.
Let me just ask you, how wise do you think, without the context of what you've told us, but how wise do you think it was to take a picture next to a placard of Paul Kruger saying, "Happy birthday, Uncle